Hello friends, Be here with a video for Whimsy stamps, and today we're going to be making a fun birthday shaker card, and for that we're going to be using this paper pack, which is the Mermaid 6x6 paper pack. This stamp set right here, which is an Otter birthday clear stamp set. We're going to be using also this die, which is the OMG War die set, and the slimline foam strip die. Let's go ahead and make a card. So to start my card, I have chosen my card base to be white, and then I chose this seafoam green cardstock that I have in my stash, and then gluing down that pink bubble cardstock from the Mermaid 6x6 paper pack. And then I am working with the film strip, but the film strip is way too big for this card. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to remove the end of this part right there with my guillotine, and I have chosen that sparkly cardstock, and I wanted to make sure that both sides were at least kind of like the same size. And here I'm just using my guillotine for that. And for my next step, I am positioning my film strip where I want it to be. And all I'm gonna do is go ahead and glue down the middles, because I cut with the film strip the middle part with some of the mermaid paper as well, so I could have a cool background. And then for this part, I like to actually stack my cardstock one on top of the other when I have such a thin margin of cardstock to work with, and then I become a disaster with my tape. So all I'm doing here is gluing it down, and I am going to go ahead and glue one down for you to see what I'm doing, and then off camera I am going to glue the rest because it's a lengthy process and just for us to save time. So after I added my glue there, I am just adding my acetate now, and I'm going to add some weight to this to make sure this actually glues down. And while that is drying, because we need that piece to cut the other pieces of film strip that we cut already with our white cardstock. Here I was just trying to figure out which images I wanted to use, and I went ahead and chose the one with the balloon and the one with the present. So for this part, I'm using Hammermill 80-pound cardstock for my stamping, and I find that this cardstock is better if you choose the 80-pound if you don't have the outline dies, because the 100-pound one, it's very thick, which is great for other things, or if you do stamp with it, then you can use the outline dies, but I don't have them, so I have to fuzzy cut, and usually the 100-pound paper usually rips a little, so it's better to use the 80-pound one. And I'm going to speed through this part while we color together our otters, and I will see you at the end. And here's how my images look like. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on the shaker part. So here I have my shaker piece already solid, already glued perfectly. And now we're gonna start by gluing all the pieces together. But what I wanna do here is that I am putting my top piece, the film strip top piece, and I am gonna go ahead and grab my pencil and make a mark where I need to cut so I can cut all of them the same size. Now that I know what size I want all of them, I am gonna go ahead and glue the first one with you in real time, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue all of them together, but I'm gonna do so off camera as I mentioned before. That way we save some time. And here's how all of them look like together. Now we're gonna go ahead and glue these down to our card. Now we can go ahead and add our confetti mix. And I found these seeds in my stash, which are the same seafoam green and this pink, and this is kind of like a coral pink color. And I also have the iridescent one, and I'm just gonna add some to the middle of both sides, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue the top of our film strip. And this is how the shaker piece looks. Now it's at the time to put everything together. And here I have the OMG word with the OMG die, and I use the same colors as the balloons. So I use that tealish blue color and that pinkish coral color. So here I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I want my pieces to go, and I decided that OMG looks great there, and these two guys look perfect here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put these together. And this is how my card turned out. I added that happy birthday from the same stamp set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.